Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hey everybody, for this card kit I am featuring the Creative Haven stamp set and dies. I'm actually not using the dies, but I just wanted to show you they come in a bundle. And this is how I'm storing the new packaging with Stampin' Up. I have a little clippy here. I just clip to the side so that I know that the dies go with the stamp set. And of course, if you have elastic bands around, you could use that. But then here is this clear bin that I got from Walmart. I'm in Canada, so this bin was, I think, just under $6. So I'm going to be able to store a ton of new stamp sets from Stampin' Up with this storage solution. Hope it helps if you are interested. So the card kit today, I'm using the Hobby Haven Specialty Designer Series paper. I thought it was super cute because there's sewing and there's crafting and there's beauty, and I loved it. So everybody is getting a different colorway for the Designer Series paper and also the paper that comes after. And this is a piece of basic white, regular stamping weight paper, and I'm using cloud cover for my card base. So I'm putting that straight away down, adhering it with my Seal Plus adhesive. And then, so this is, I don't know, I think it's 4 by 5 1/4. And then, so this is my little square, and I paired it with the color that goes best with the Designer Series paper. And I put it on cattywampus, but I wanted the paper to be straight. You can do what you want with the card kit, but I did it this way. And I believe these pieces are 3 by 3. So I thought about making this one straight, but I liked, or the cardstock straight as opposed to the DSP straight, but it didn't go that way. And then for the stamp, I used a Secret Sea, which is my new favorite black, but it's not really black. It's sort of a very dark gray. And the sentiment says, "You deserve all the good things." This is just a really cute card, and I'm sure you're going to find the most perfect person for this card. And yeah, leave me a lovely comment below, and I will see you on Monday. Bye for now.